that please have the mindset to change. We have to change, we have to learn, we have to get mentor, we have to have somebody in our life who is guiding us. I'm not saying I am that particular mentor. You can have any mentor in your life. Like for me, my principal is still acting as a mentor. I have professional coaching with Gaurav Arora sir. I'm a student of Isha Yoga. I'm a student of Mahatriyara, Chennai. So we have these kind of mentors in our life. Some we are learning life from someone else. We are learning professionalism from someone else. We are learning the social media and this whole webinar setup from someone else. So we have mentors in our life. So that's the main intent of this particular webinar कि आप अकेले fight नहीं कर सकते. If you wanted to grow very fast, you need to find somebody, you need to find a community, a group, a mentor जो आपको हमेशा push करे, pull करे and आपको आगे लेके जाने के लिए थोड़ी help करे. Alright. So this is some data that we wanted to share कि ये networking चालू करने के बाद या normal CA practice के आगे आकर मैंने जब गुरुकुल establish किया, I was also a practitioner in Mumbai, अपना चुपचाप proprietorship firm चला रहा था, and then since 2014 I am in practice. 2007 to 2014 I work with a company called Number Tree, which is founded by Mahtab sir. It is in Mumbai. They are expert in the infrastructure finance and infrastructure consultancy, beam technology, kind of very unique kind of work. 7 years I was fortunate enough to learn from him. He was directly teaching me, okay, and so many things I have learned from him. Whatever my personality today is, it is shaped by him. So we call him Godfather also. So 7 years I have learned with him, under him, through him, and after 2014 even till today he is acting as a mentor and he's teaching me how to grow in life.